Have you ever wanted to learn how professional games organize their code? Thought to yourself, man, I really wish I had organized this from the very beginning. If so, this video is just for you. In this video, we'll cover service architecture and feature architecture. Firstly, why do we need to organize our code? There are many reasons why. These are just a few. It reduces complexity, it improves maintainability, allows projects to grow, it makes reuse easier. Now that you understand the importance of it, let's dive into what I feel are the two best scripting architectures. Service architecture. A service architecture organizes code by systems or responsibilities. Each service owns one part of the game, such as inventory, data, or upgrades, and exposes functions that other parts of the game can use. This keeps logic centralized and prevents the same code from being duplicated in multiple places. Feature architecture. A feature architecture organizes code by game features instead of responsibilities. Everything needed for a feature, server logic, client logic, UI, configs, etc., lives together in one folder, making the feature self-contained. This makes it easier to add, remove, or modify features without digging through many different folders. Note, in my example, I put everything into replicated storage. This isn't the best practice since it allows hackers to read the server data. Instead, you should create a separate folder that's in its designated spot, server script service or starter player scripts. It should only hold that environment's data. Client should hold client data. Server should hold server data, and shared goes into replicated storage. How do we actually create these architectures? Services should talk to other services, but they shouldn't contain other services. For example, inventory service can talk to data service to get information about what the player currently owns in their inventory, but they shouldn't control other services or use circular dependencies. Now that we know the rule, let's get into making one. Firstly, let's start off with a service. These are simple. You need a module loader, someplace to contain your custom-made services and the services themselves. You also need a bootstrap, a client-server script that tells the module loader to start. If you don't know any of these, check the description. For features, it takes the service architect and builds upon it. Instead of separating your folders into configs, services, systems, and classes, you hold all the scripts related to it in one folder. Thank you, guys, for watching this video. If you guys want more tutorials or have any questions, be sure to let me know. Also, join the Discord server. If you found any use in this video, like and sub.